Yeah, there it goes. Oh, this is fun.
This soap dispenser comes with 2 compressed sponges that were super fun to get wet. Today we're going to be replacing our sink soap dispenser with one that goes into the soap bottle instead of having a reservoir you have to refill. I'm going to be showing you everything that's inside the package, demoing it for you, and giving you my honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. So inside the package is a shrunken sponge. This is super cool. I can't wait to get this wet. Then we're going to have the soap dispenser itself, the components and the hardware to install it, the hose that goes into the soap bottle, some tips, and some other components for the soap bottle itself, as well as some little clips that you can use to organize this underneath your sink. The first step is to figure out which cap fits your bottle of soap. This one fits ours. And then we're going to put the hose through this hole. You want it to be about as long as your bottle. Then you're going to put this little piece right into the bottom. This is your pump. This is your pump piece.
Perfect timing.
Perfect timing. It's a little smaller than one we had, which means I'm going to have to get the lime away out. Because this does not fit our existing hole very well, we are going to modify our old one using our old, we're going to modify using our old pump and the new hose. If you're doing this how we're doing it, you're going to use that side. And if you're doing it using the actual piece that they give you, you're going to put it right on the end of here.
Okay, that should be good enough. That's okay.
If you accidentally do what I did and install the pump on the sticker side, all you have to do is disconnect the 2 hoses and flip that little white piece so that the arrow is pointing toward your sink.
Yeah, there it goes. Oh, this is fun. It's like a science video, a mad scientist video.
As soon as I turn the video off. These remind me of SpongeBob, probably because of the color. But the fact that they came in so compressed is so cool. So
we've got new sponges.
Look at that.
We've got new sponges.
It's so nice that they come with, that it comes with sponges.
It's nice.
It's nice.